At iEngineering, we're proud to be driving change for a greener tomorrow. Our commitment to sustainability is unwavering, and we believe in creating innovative solutions that make a real difference. Today, we want to share an inspiring story of how our efforts are helping Australia move closer to its ambitious zero-carbon emission goals. From cutting-edge technology to eco-friendly infrastructure, we're dedicated to making a positive impact on the environment. Join us as we explore the various ways iEngineering is contributing to a cleaner, greener future for everyone. Together, we can build a sustainable world for generations to come.
We recently partnered with a leading hotel, renowned for its commitment to sustainability and innovation. This collaboration was made possible under the EV Destination Charging Grant Round 2, an initiative aimed at promoting electric vehicle adoption. Through this initiative, funded with 75% co-funding by the New South Wales government, we aim to enhance the infrastructure for electric vehicles. We successfully installed two 22-kilowatt AC chargers at the hotel, providing guests with convenient and efficient charging options for their electric vehicles. These chargers are designed to deliver fast and reliable charging, ensuring that guests can quickly recharge their vehicles while enjoying the hotel's amenities. This installation not only supports the hotel's green initiatives, but also contributes to the broader goal of reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainable transportation. By offering these advanced charging solutions, we are helping to create a more sustainable future for everyone. Our iEngineering state-of-the-art chargers come equipped with the OCPP 1.6 protocol, which allows for seamless integration with various network management systems. This ensures that the chargers can communicate effectively with the central system, providing real-time data and remote diagnostics. Additionally, they boast an IP54 rating, making them highly durable and capable of withstanding harsh weather conditions. Whether installed indoors or outdoors, these chargers offer reliable service. The user-friendly interface, complete with a touchscreen, makes it easy for drivers to start and stop charging sessions, view charging status, and even make payments. This combination of advanced technology and robust design makes these chargers an excellent choice for any EV infrastructure. iEngineering EV charging solutions are thoughtfully designed for industries like hospitality, hotels, resorts, commercial, office buildings, shopping centers, residential, homes, apartment complexes, transport, airports, train stations, bus stops, retail, shopping malls, supermarkets, education, universities, schools, amusement parks, public sector, government buildings, parking lots, healthcare, hospitals, clinics, automotive, car dealerships, service centers, empowering businesses to support sustainable transportation while enhancing guest experiences. Another happy client for iEngineering. Every charger we install takes us one step closer to a cleaner, greener future for Australia. Together, we're paving the way for zero carbon emissions.
Visit our iEngineering website at www.ieng.tech or reach out to us at inquiries@iengaust.com.au. Let's work together to create a sustainable tomorrow, one charger at a time.